HubSpot is a versatile customer relationship management and marketing platform that helps businesses manage interactions with leads and customers. Here's how to use it. Dashboard. Upon logging in, you will be directed to the HubSpot dashboard. Navigate through its modules: CRM, marketing, sales, and service hubs. Import contacts. In the CRM, import contacts or connect integrations to sync customer data. Create deals. In the Sales Hub, manage leads and deals by creating pipelines and tracking stages of the sales process. Email marketing. Utilize the Marketing Hub for email campaigns, landing pages, forms, and automated workflows. Social media. Schedule, publish, and track posts across different platforms in the Marketing Hub. Customer service. The Service Hub aids in managing customer queries, tickets, and feedback. Reports and analytics. HubSpot provides insights into your marketing and sales efforts' effectiveness, aiding in optimization. Integrations. HubSpot integrates with various tools to streamline operations and data flow. Automation. Utilize workflows to automate repetitive tasks and nurture leads through personalized content. Learning resources. Access HubSpot Academy for free training courses to master the platform and digital marketing strategies. Support. HubSpot offers customer support and the community to assist with any issues.